Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where an affiliate promotes a product or service on behalf of a business and earns a commission for each sale or lead generated through their unique affiliate link. This marketing model has become increasingly popular over the years due to its low cost, efficiency, and scalability. Affiliate marketing can be a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the business, as the business can reach a wider audience through the affiliate's marketing efforts, while the affiliate can earn a passive income by promoting products they believe in. With the rise of e-commerce, affiliate marketing has become a crucial part of many businesses' marketing strategies and has created a new wave of online entrepreneurs. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money from visitors. Finding high-quality products that buyers will be interested in, however, is the key to using affiliate marketing effectively. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 12 best affiliate marketing platforms that really work in 2023. People can make money through affiliate marketing, from $1,000 to $100,000 or more per month. But before starting the video, please like this video and do subscribe to our channel with notifications turned on, so you get updated whenever we upload amazing new content. Now, back to the video. Number 1. Giddy Up. The first partner marketing solution in the world that is done for you. Its strategy for establishing performance-based alliances entirely on partner marketing. Fantastic outcomes for brands and you. Since they are solely concerned with quality, you must be a very serious affiliate to be accepted and begin earning money. If you meet the requirements, we strongly suggest giving it a shot. Watch this video until the end to learn about the best affiliate marketing platforms. Number 2. DFO Global. It is generating billions of dollars in global e-commerce sales by utilizing media, technology, machine learning, and more. A large selection of e-commerce goods in a secure, enclosed environment that protects the brand, with high covering offers and high payouts as a reward. The best option for serious affiliate marketers looking for a program worth their time and effort is DFO Global, which has excellent data analytics and helpful managers at your disposal. Number 3. Amazon Associates. Amazon is a fantastic starting point for affiliate marketing beginners. The vast Amazon marketplace handles the majority of the sales process for you by preheating your leads. It is your responsibility to drive new customers to the Amazon website from outside traffic sources. You have access to millions of products, and more are being added daily. It's a fantastic way to make money without having acquired a solid foundation in affiliate marketing. Number 4. Witty Trade. A wide variety of owned and direct top-converting offers with global coverage are available on the affiliate e-commerce and lead generation platform Witty Trade. An awesome feature of Witty Trade is their distinctive, highly effective, and original pre-landers. They look amazing and perform even better, so you can expect great results from this affiliate program. Number 5. ClickBank. One popular choice among affiliate marketers is ClickBank. Reaching 200 million people globally, it offers 6 million digital products across more than 20 categories. The program also provides commissions that can reach 75%, and ClickBank is well known for always making payments on time, which is a major selling point. There are many products that are sold repeatedly, giving you a great source of ongoing income. In addition, a lot of these products have upsell possibilities that can boost your earnings. Number 6. eBay Partner Network. Here's a fantastic way to take advantage of the eBay market's enormous affiliate potential. Promote eBay products on social media, your blog, or your website to earn a commission for each item that is purchased using your link. The process of joining the eBay Partner Network is straightforward, and there is a never-ending selection of intriguing products to market, including well-liked trending items and daily deals. Number 7. M4trix Network. Look no further than M4trix Network for exclusive offers and deals in less frequented geos. It is a full-service affiliate network with a global reach that also pushes profitability into uncharted territories, such as untapped markets where you can outperform your own results. The network also boasts some impressive back-end technology to support the development of smarter strategies and real-time performance optimization. Number 8. CG Affiliate. For more seasoned marketers, CJ Affiliate is a fantastic program with 300 brands, many of which are some of the most well-known in the world. The program boasts a 43% increase in commissions year over year, making it desirable. There are strict requirements for continuing to be a publisher, and you must have a significant amount of traffic to be accepted. The sophisticated toolbox has great features for more experienced affiliate marketers, but it may take some getting used to. Number 9. Affiliate XE. For marketers who want to have access to a wide range of verticals, Affiliate X is a top choice. Due to the wide range of products and offers available, you can select and focus on the areas where you can achieve the best results. Additionally, if you are accepted into the program, you have access to your own affiliate manager, who can assist you in streamlining your traffic and developing a special bonus scheme to increase your earning potential. Number 10. Algo Affiliates. One of the top affiliate networks for performance marketing is Algo Affiliates. More than 1,500 multilingual offers are available from them in a variety of the hottest and most lucrative niches, such as banking, CBD, Nutra, loans, real estate, e-commerce, surveys, and more. There's no excuse not to give it a try with such a large selection of verticals at your disposal, exceptional funnel tracking and optimization, and first-rate customer support. Number 11. Sharia Sale. Since Sharia Sale has been operating for almost 20 years and is one of the biggest affiliate networks available, it enjoys high regard among affiliates. Because of the network's easy-to-use interface, quick and free sign-up, and support for affiliates with multiple websites, it is a favorite among marketers and business owners. It offers a huge selection of merchants, including some well-known brands, in more than 40 categories. Number 12. Fiverr. With more than 11 million users across 190 countries, Fiverr bills itself as the largest digital services marketplace in the world. The generous commission structure on Fiverr offers a CPA of up to $150. Additionally, you receive lifetime attribution and there is no referral limit. The Fiverr Affiliates program has a number of nice features, including a user-friendly dashboard and a portfolio of creative resources you can use to promote Fiverr. As a result, some of the hard work has already been done for you. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a powerful tool for businesses and individuals to earn income by promoting products or services to a relevant audience. It offers a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the merchant, allowing for a low-risk way to expand a business's reach and providing affiliates with a flexible income stream. By understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and investing time and effort into building a successful affiliate marketing strategy, individuals and businesses can reap the benefits of this lucrative marketing approach. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon, and thanks for watching.